Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the water filter in a Samsung refrigerator. This is the one that it requires, MR7. And as you can see right there, there's the filter right here. You look up here to unlock, twist left, to lock, you twist back to the right. Alright, so we're going to unlock, real easy. House music. Sweet potatoes and baked potatoes back there. Alright, the new one does come with a top on there. All you do is just twist that off. See, right there. House music. MR7. Alright, and just place that back in there. Twist to the right. Bam. It's in there. Light should go off pretty soon. You can see right here, light is on. Here's your installation directions right here if you do need them.